Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing my absolute favorite box. Can you guess what it is? Guess no more. It is the CURLBOX, and this is for the month of June, okay? Now, for those of you who are not familiar with CURLBOX, well, I will leave you with plenty of information down below, as well as a code, so that if you would like to try it out for yourself, you will get a discount off of your initial box, okay? So let's just jump right in. This is my favorite box for so many reasons, but mainly because 99.9% of the time, everything you get is full size, okay? Now, when I open up the box, the first thing in this box is our description card, which looks like that and lets us know that our theme for the month is strength and length, okay? And on the inside, it gives us plenty of information about the items that we received, as well as from our editor, founder, that kind of thing, okay? So let me just start off by telling you this. The box was so full, there was something sitting on the top. And what was sitting on the top, it's not time for me to tell you yet, but give me a moment and I will share that one with you. Okay, so let's start off with me letting you know that there were 5 products in our box this month, and they are by MAUI Moisture, okay? So we're going to start off at the top. And what happens first? We shampoo and cleanse our hair, okay? So it says strength and length Castor Neem Oil shampoo. The foundation of this shampoo is 100% aloe vera infused with castor oil, neem oil, and peppermint oil, which are perfect for renewing damaged strands. Use this vegan silicone-free shampoo to strengthen, soften, and hydrate your curls. Now, this is a 13 fluid ounce size. It is sulfate free, and it is for damage and transitioning curls. Strengthen, hydrate, and renew. Okay? And it does give us the directions as well as the ingredients. Okay, and it has an 18-month shelf life. You know I'm happy about that, right? Why? So I can open it and smell it. Okay, now with all of these things that are actually in it, I can tell castor oil is near the top because this does actually have that medicinal type of smell to it, which I'm okay with as long as it's doing what I needed to do on my head. I'm okay with that. I am okay with that. Now it says number 521 on the top. I'm not sure what that's about. Okay, well, there is a number on each of them. So let's just keep going, and maybe at some point we'll find out what this is about. And yes, this is a vegan product. And yes, it does have pure coconut water and pure aloe, okay? It says made with 100% aloe as the first ingredient, okay? So moving right along, that is item number 1. Then it says strength and length castor and neem oil conditioner, okay? And that's this one right here. And it says 100% aloe vera is the star of this hydrating conditioner with the help of castor oil, neem oil, and peppermint oil as well. This is perfect for renewing curls or showing chemically damaged strands, some TLC, while smoothing and soothing the scalp. There is a tip here which says, using the shampoo paired with the conditioner consistently could potentially lead to 80% less breakage after the second use. After the second use, really? Okay, and this one is also a 13 fluid ounce size, and this one is number 520. Like I said, I'm not sure what that means yet. I am hoping that we will find out, but that is listed here. And this one has an 18-month shelf life as well. This one is the rinse out conditioner. Okay, after 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, but if you're anything like me, it's gonna stay in a lot longer than that. Okay, but let me say this to you. Don't do what I do. And I guess I'm gonna have to change how I do it as well, because there is a warning. It says use only as directed. For best results, use in conjunction with other MAUI moisture products, which we do understand, but it does say we should really follow the directions. I never thought there was anything wrong with you leaving my conditioner on longer, but it potentially could be. So if something were to happen with my hair, I would never be able to say something about the products if I'm not using them the way that they are directed. Okay, so the next item that we have is the Strength and Length Curl Oil Gel. Okay, which is this product right here. It says reach for this gel and oil hybrid for your diverse styling needs. Tap in when you need soft hold and frizz control, or for defined, shiny, and hydrated curls. Now this one is 12 ounces. It is vegan, paraben and silicone free. Aloe is the #1 item in this one as well. And this one is to strengthen, hydrate, and define. Apply desired amount to palms and work through wet or damp hair to define your curls, air dry or diffuse. So you can choose either method. Okay, this one has an 18-month shelf life as well. Okay, that's this one right here. Okay. Now, you might as well admit it, their packaging is really nice looking as well, okay? Now, the number situation on the top, this one is 621. Still not sure, but okay. So then after that, we're going to the Frizz Free and Shea Butter Elongating Gel, okay? And this one says macadamia oil, shea butter, and coconut oil are the heroes of this product story. Use this gel to combat shrinkage on days when you want to define your curls and show off your length without flakiness. Really? Because is the length even real? Got it. Okay. Is the length really real if you can't show off your hang time? Okay, and this one says it's made with 100% aloe vera first, even though this is different than this packaging. Aloe is still the #1 product in here. And it says this one is for dry, damaged hair, and it's designed to moisturize, define, and elongate. And this one is a 10-ounce size. And let's see what else it has to say. Now this one has a 24-month shelf life. Now let's just see, because this one doesn't host the castor oil and neem oil. So let's just see what the smell of this one is like. Well, I can't, because it's sealed completely. Well, maybe. Okay, so unfortunately, can't really check out the smell on this one because, as I stated, it is sealed. Okay, so we're down to the last product, believe it or not, and this one is the Frizz Free and Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Mist. Okay, and it says, set your future style up for a win with this creamy detangling mist formulated with shea butter, coconut oil, and macadamia oil for ultimate hydration. Protect your curls, block humidity, turn heads, and repeat. Now the tip for this one is best use as a first product after washing and conditioning for detangling before styling. Okay, so let's rewind a little bit. So we're gonna go shampoo, conditioner, then we're going to go to the Frizz Free, okay? Then you can go back to your curl oil gel and even your elongation if you would like, okay? So this one is for dry damaged curls as well. It is vegan, and this is an 8 fluid ounce size. Now this one has a 24-month shelf life, so none of the bad stuff is in here. And aloe is still the first ingredient. Now, I want to tell you something. Even though this one is a spray and it doesn't have a seal, of course, because it is a spray, when I twisted it to open, it did pop. So I know that it has never been opened before. Oh my God, and this smells so good. So I guess using these products together, this will kind of add a sweeter smell, or, you know, not, it will keep your hair from smelling so medicinal, I guess is the best way to put it. Okay, this one has number 515. I am so determined to find out what that is all about. Don't know how, don't know why, but I am going on there to find out. Okay, so yet another product I am excited to try. Now, what do you think? Tell me what your thoughts might be down below with regards to these products. Now, like I said, full-size products, okay? And for the amount of this box, and I will let you know at the end what the difference in prices as opposed to if you go to the store and purchase them, or if you purchase them individually, or even on their site as opposed to through CURLBOX, okay? So that you can see the difference. That does not include that does not include putting gas in your car or the postage, because the amount of this box also has the shipping included. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below with regards to these products. Even if you've tried them before, let me know what your best way to use them was, okay? I would appreciate that so very much. Now, let me just say, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our CURLBOX for the month of June that held these products right here, all of them. And down below is the manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was enclosed, okay? So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.